In this video, I'm going to show you how to send an email in HubSpot. Now to do this, first you want to open your dashboard, then you want to go to the left here and you can see there's a bunch of different buttons. You want to go to marketing, which is this one, and you want to click on email. From here to send an email, you want to click on create email here in the top right. And then you want to go and pick any of these. I'm going to go a regular, which is going to allow me to send to a list of contacts. So I'm actually going to click on that. And then from here, you want to select a template. You have a drag and drop or custom. You have like a bunch of different ones over here. So I'm actually just going to pick one template, but of course you can start from scratch as well. I do have another video teaching you exactly how to build an email from scratch inside HubSpot. So actually for this one, let's just pick something random. We're going to do this announcement. I'm going to click on use template. And let's now pretend this is the email you want to send in HubSpot. Now, again, over here on the left, you have different add buttons, which allows you to add different modules or different sections on here. But for now, we're going to keep it like it is. And we're going to focus on the most important part, which is the recipients. So we're going to click on send to up top. And then from here, you can then go and select your subscription type. I'm going to do marketing information and select who you want to send it to. I'm actually going to use a few people over here. Let's do these three over here. There we go. And if you not want to send to a specific group of people, you can, of course, assign them over here. Then from here, you want to click on this part. You want to type in the subject line. So this is going to be tutorial email. And then the preview text can also be put in. So I'm going to do, for example, this is just a sample like this. There we go. And of course, you have multiple things here. You can select who you're sending from and then from address, etc. And now when you've done this, you want to go to review and send up top. And it's going to show you what actions are still required. In my case, I have to edit the footer address to be able to meet the compliance requirements. So you have to click on that, whatever's missing, and you have to put in things. In my case, I have to put in the company name, address, stuff like that, okay? And then you can update this, and then you'll be able to send your email. So just by clicking send up here, it's going to send the email in HubSpot. It's actually that easy. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.